my internship, as I was working on it, a few weeks prior to the event, we had a St. Cloud resident who actually worked in the cop house with me at Centricare help with organizing the cleats and shin pads drives. And then through that, the Sane Foundation heard word of the events. The Sane Foundation was created by Tony Sane, who is a retired professional soccer player for the Los Angeles Galaxy. They were so generous to donate 100 soccer balls to the community outpost for this youth clinic. So then at the clinic, we had a soccer ball drive, a cleat drive, in which the kids got to go home with a ball, cleats, a t-shirt, and food. My teammates at St. Cloud State volunteered to coach at the clinic, and it was a great turnout. The kids noticed that their coaches were in fact soccer players, and then that sparked more questions about how to get involved in programs. It was like a role model type of deal where they see us coaching soccer and playing collegiate soccer that might inspire them to continue playing soccer as they grow older and get a degree. It was fun and it was overwhelming. It's actually funny because I didn't think a lot of kids would show up because only 5 kids turned in their registration forms, but it ended up being about 60 plus kids coming to both clinics, both days, so it was a great turnout and really surprised me. I hope for the youth programs that they have an experience similar to me, because mine was, I would go and I'd play soccer, have fun, it would be a stress reliever, and I would actually do better in all other types of life, all different aspects of life because of soccer. They taught me tons of different things, like time management and respecting people, working together as a team, and I think all those qualities can combine and just make people better.